Hey, my name's Allyson Coker, and I'm with Believe Greater Dalton, and I'm thrilled to be with you today to share an exciting activity that you can do with your kids at home to help with letter recognition. You were given a bag of letter tiles, and so what you can do is take them out one by one and say, what letter is this? This is the letter R. And then take another one. What letter is this? M. And what letter is this? The first letter of the alphabet, A. And how about this one? Y. Okay. Thanks so much for working on your letter recognition today. Remember to follow along on your summer reading calendar for more activities.